Because look, there's a Bank of Ghana case about 2025 on Kwa.
Abuja from Mamu na makwaba e de Ghana and Sem TV so. But omo dey so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications. Say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabi na so watch your comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo also TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amejo also. Ko yin na dream say that chi bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey. The need to Sudan say man we need that chi bia. Na the bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne ye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and they say, who say you own it a responsibility. I mean, a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think, say, I do retirement. If you say a public office no more hold it, as a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin Chankra, Mommy Uncle, the Uncle video bimra. In the video, we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President.
Because look, there's a Bank of Ghana case about 2025 on Kwa. Whoever buy this kind of free, why is Ghana youth? Yeah, serious. Yeah, tell my name maybe GSM. Because a day in a Bank of Ghana, it me a book. 34.95 billion Ghana cedis. Oh, the bad dollar more. 3.18 billion. Sika ekwaji wa IMF no is less than this one. Yaji 3 billion wa IMF. Your conditionality is almost already mine, including your domestic debt exchange. And only can overata boni awa yeni binono domestic debt exchange. Meanwhile, ya boka Bank of Ghana a declares ya boka 3.18 billion. And according to Bank of Ghana Nakasa report, this is just a car a year for the fiscal year of 2025. What is that? What are the sources of the debt? Other than Bank of Ghana, itemize sources of that debt. It is to divert attention from Bank of Ghana, Kawaii or Mabo, because cannot confirm
9-2 for 2021 there. A certificate issued by a foreign authority pursuant to a marriage under Section 1 is unenforceable in Ghana. 3. A person who administers, witnesses, abets, solemnizes, or aids the solemnization of a marriage under Section 1, or issues or aids or abets in procuring a certificate in respect of marriage under Section 1, commits a misdemeanor and is liable on summary conviction to a term of imprisonment of not less than 1 year and not more than 3 years. And no. 2004 then. Or say, sa awari didi so nyina enye adwuma. So bi e ware sa awari a mebe bobo so bi a enye adwuma. Person of the same sex say me ye be man. Na me se maware Henry Kwasi Minka enye adwuma. Afei, a person who has undergone gender or sex reassignment say bia yawo me bema na me say me kwa me asesa me bema na ye me oba sa nipa no oware a enye ye se odene ba na wako akonya sesi ano be ware a enye ye because nyankopon amono ba. Any person who has undergone any other procedure that is intended to create a sexual category other than the sexual category of the person at birth is in the case of correcting a biological abnormality including intersex. Yemfa ne say ye obi a ono no ye wo nyankopon ba ade na ye wo no na okura oba ne be ma japade to nchen a doctor fo asiesie ba kwa ma no eto nchen a se me ye be ma na makwa yi me be ma na firi ho se yemfa oba ntua ho ma me ana wo ye oba no ame akoyi oba na firi ho se yemfa be ma entua ho ema no o sa nipa no o ware a enye yi. Afei 9-2 or say bia obi akwa ware sa ware ni bi ewo aman foforo bi so na ya mana krata e kire so mo ya warefo na o mo de back sa krata no eba Ghana ha se ya sakrata no enya dwuma ewa ha 3 obi a ono na ekohwe eme edi nse oka na wafo na ka bi edi nachi de okodi hu adanse de obo amasa aware no baso de ohyira so ene de obo omo kwan bi aso masa aware no eba so no sa nipa no ono so ato emra na sa mra no a wato oni nti no yebetumi adana to afiase afe ekoka emfie miensa na mo ni se eboro mfie miensa 9 no nko ano no mawie 9 mamenko no 2025 de no eti ba akura me kan ye first no de man kan sisi awie no eno na omse president Kufuado enkosan na ono so dwane firi ho no afi mamemra de e say omode akwa ada no makosan ya speaker say ono onya away clause 9 omode say clause 9 to 13 deal with LGBTQAP+ propaganda, advocacy, support, and other promotional activities. Clause 9 prohibits the use of a medium, technological platform, technological account, or the production, procurement, marketing, broadcasting, dissemination, publication, or distribution of a material for purposes of promoting an activity prohibited under the bill. Clause 9 also prohibits a person from using an electronic device, the internet service, a film, or any other capable or electronic storage or transmission to produce, procure, market, broadcast, disseminate, publish, or distribute a material for the purposes of promoting an activity prohibited under the bill. Clause 9 further prohibits a person from engaging in, participating in, promoting in, or supporting an act prohibited under the bill or aimed at changing public opinion towards an act prohibited under the bill. Furthermore, Clause 9 prohibits a person from offering a premises.
Madam Oslowu so apenyo mark ye nyina ka se na musa se bi o sa kwase asem we ye de hwemu ye de NDC force there big from George e ye nanim se bo float e de catch ye said the law is perfect. And Richard Sky peace there be City FM journalist this there be
me say me catch the play na ye playing fa say NDC for in this case we ni pa bonifo China Americano.
Ozene da ono. Si mu de bia ye ka ho asem. Oman we just yenim oman ni issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwakufo Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections ayeko. E no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de chire Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na meyama mo na. Abusia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, on my bit me could borrow on my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow on my be leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is because of time. But those ones yetimi we component, go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact, equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many look at say hospitals and they go sana no me say. It is a Kenyan you say na no me nyina be ya. It is a scan kwa kaya de wasa to me say oh, I mean say almost same people ya for. Name my comfort ma sacrifice discard to what their hospitals na most of them ya for. A comfort ma facilitate me say on be fund free seniors most of them ya for. You say any Ghana for debut. Na friend na tables na 10 after them mukike mukaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nkoma no ntu with the greatest of respect, omo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for the nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians ni nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Marketing men omo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ho. 2020 do they will know the way forward. Yet you come over so no ba no the credit scoring system but most open nkete. Nanze bibi ni na nkasa de se bi ye bibia nkete ya adwen nkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye nkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open nkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most open nkete. Is any money? You people chose policy. You people chose music over policy. Then you tell me you papa and I feel I'm going to watch them. Me na wo ne wo sia chem se bi me na me ko ka che Ibrahim Dramani ma say o mema was come to boot one. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo se da bi. Digitalization en to kinki. Nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam. Ye wo ko mo ya. E de Ibrahim Dramani ma ma ko gina efese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mo hia digitalization bia. E na gafo so okay ne be to ba na ma boom mo to ba ma kinki government a etimi am
Say dear ko ye kwa de menu now to me who letter be a yoko for troye about Council of State member voter region. Now me say films hey Ramona Chapa ya happen say where ye can say Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Oko any letter now was say Council of State member no were ye former staff emanam one. Which is never true.
Onya
juma order. And Onya Juma or hot da. I'm a number one for the first time. Number one I post. Oh yes, number one I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say oh, the boy.
Or sister, I'm not. Listen for the first time. Number one and quack baby aquadan and then number one. Yes. Not just say what's in Ukraine during say state institution. We are intelligence institution. Who need intel?
Ayaka, bro.
Problem ni nyina say
economy no kwa na eboa
problem ni nyina say papa or Council of State member or company to good before grab good board beba no to me create a good board alliances no to me to good to me to good etimi good kwa manone ano ni adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply o good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4 or 5 months we team supply good no over 75%. Omu koswa na se maintain mo ase ba wone nipa na oni business. Ena nipa na fa case di abra wu yoko. Se osusi se nipa na sisi no. Yoko we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy, we take omu statement. Ama o grant omu bo mo koi. Wako court, yoko na court o. Uko court no. Court will really dey tiao. Say this is a civil matter. This is not a criminal because Yoko is a state institution. And you fight for the state and not individual. And this is a civil matter. Already know what's what fizzy on my account without authorization. And I say order from court. And as High Court I really say the only unique case. What ferry akona koda afi the old fediana afi the was by us say any mokra mo da mempemubium adwuma wura nankasa na mepenache no. We invite and our my no issue document say we're a fugitive. Johnny. Thank you. Personal attack as if say your office one and they use any personal agenda. And you're so sad.
No, Raymond Wankasa, me Martin Yamabemi and Sebia. I don't want to talk about
Nana, me see the member who know what the very soon who recordings a BP. Very soon who recordings are a BP. And this state institutions are on Sano Huno, and no crash, I'm sorry, I'm for NC for my